Okay, repairability test here at 6302 Morning Dew. Missing shingle, need to lift above. Already up. The shingle is stopping here. No, this is nailed properly. This isn't both. So this one will go up. Pulled through there. Pulled through also. Improperly nailed here. Okay. Now I can get my shingle out. Oh, that nail looks like it went straight through. That's why it's not coming out. So I gotta go down. And that pulled through also, but there we go. Where are you? Alright, so there's a nail. They didn't get it with the top row, so having to come underneath here. I don't want to pop up through the shingle. Oh, pulled through, but we're changing around anyway. So now, oh God. So this is with disregard for the under shingle that's being changed out, being gentle with the shingles above it. All right, so now I'm going to slide it back in, and I would nail it as it's supposed to be nailed to replace the shingle. We would slide this back in, would need to line it up. With the other shingle next to it so that all right, I need more coffee. We're lined up. We're lined up. I'm not going to put that missing bottom layer. Well, yeah, that'll go through. So you can see here the granule loss, and this already had this little crease here, but it's creased more on the left side here. And then of course over here, much more granule loss to the top of the shingle. So here this would be a failure for repairability. And that is of course without going in and putting in the somewhat excessive row of nails in the bottom shingle. See the granules left over by the job. I'm as careful as I can. And the new creasing involved. Not repairable, failure here.